I'll show you all the working methods to reset the pin on any Samsung Smart TV, from older models to the latest ones. Let's get started. For some of the pre-2014 older Samsung Smart TVs, there's a simple service menu trick you can try. Step 1. Make sure your TV is powered off, standby mode. Step 2. On your remote, press these buttons in order. Mute. 8. 2. 4. Power. Your TV should turn on, and after a few seconds it may display the service menu. From there, select Options, then choose Factory Reset. Once done, the TV will reboot with the pin reset back to 0000. This doesn't work on all models, mainly older ones, because newer TVs don't respond to this button combo. If the first one didn't work, and you're using a mid-generation 2014 to 2017 Samsung TV with a standard remote, not smart remote, try this one. Step 1. Make sure the TV is off. Step 2. Press these buttons in sequence on your remote. Info, Menu, Mute, Power. The TV should turn on and bring up a blue service screen. From there, navigate to Options, select Factory Reset, confirm, and wait for the TV to restart. Once it reboots, your pin will be reset to 0000, just like it was when brand new. If you have one of the newer smart TVs, especially those with the sleek Samsung Smart Remote, then this is the updated and easiest way to reset your pin. Option 1. Using a Samsung Smart Remote, turn on your TV. Press the volume button, press the plus button to increase volume, then press return. Press the button to decrease volume, then press return. Press the plus button again, then press return. The pin should now reset to 0000. Option 2. Using a standard remote control, turn on the TV. Press the mute button, press the plus button, then return. Press the button, then return. Press the plus button again, then return. Your TV's default pin should now be set back to 0000. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone facing the same issue.